Right, right?
Mommy.
Hey.
Mommy.
Hey, baby.
Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh.
He doesn't want me out here.
Oh.
Yes, thanks. We're trying to share the screen.
Eat it. Oh.
I'm coming back in.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What, baby?
Oh.
I love you. What's up? Whoa, he's looking at the big trees. Whoa.
Mama.
Hey. Today on Saturday, this is what beautiful weather we woke up to, or I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. Goodness. I see way back in the ancient days people equated bad weather to it was symbolic of some kind of angry god or something because it looks so powerful.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, right? The weather can look angry, and it's been very moody lately. It's been like blasting sun, and then an hour later it'll just be freezing, and woo, there was lightning. It feels good out here, though, I have to admit. Despite the freaky potential for me to get struck with a big lightning bolt. I guess all you people who think I bash religion would say that that was my karma or something. Oh, here it comes really, really, really hard now.